Hi, this is Nancy at Notions. I am in the Clover booth. We're again at Quilt Market in Houston, Texas. And Clover, not only known for all of their super cool notions for knit and crochet and sewing, they've come out with a kind of a line that could be used when you're teaching people to sew. So beautiful notions, even in a purple, which I thought that was pretty cool for Clover. So Deanna, hi. Welcome to Notions Marketing.
Thanks for stopping in, Nancy. Thanks for stopping in. This is what we have
So
now.
tell us a little bit about the new tools that you guys have come out for this particular line.
Designed by Nancy Zieman for Clover are a whole new line of sewing notions geared towards fun. The line is called I Sew for Fun.
Okay.
We have a magnetic pin cushion
With little
with a
heart-shaped
lid.
pins.
Heart-shaped pins sold separately.
Heart-shaped pin, love that.
Heart-shaped pins, pin cushion, fabric marking pen.
It says right on there, I Sew for Fun.
Everything has the I Sew for Fun logo and the I Sew for Fun branding. We're making sewing fun. We have a seam guide that is super sticky and sticks to your machine. And it has a parking spot and a measurement guide while you're not using it.
So it's going to really help with the accuracy of our sewing.
We have a retractable seam ripper.
This is very
Safely stores inside of itself, and it's also a thread cutter when it's stored, so you can clip your patchwork apart.
cool. Okay.
There is a presser foot designed
For
especially
safety.
for beginners that has wide sides and a guide to prevent fingers from getting
Is
near
there
the
a
needle.
particular machine this fits on, or is it a universal?
It's a universal
Okay.
foot. It fits most machines. It comes
Okay.
in the package with a low shank adapter.
Oh, perfect.
So it fits most machines, or you use the machine adapter that comes with your machine and attach it to
Okay.
the So Safe presser foot. A fun little heart-shaped needle case that comes with 3 needles. Hand sewing for your hand sewing
needles,
projects.
Okay.
Wonder clips in wonderful colors
we all
to match
love Wonder
the I Sew
Clips.
for Fun. We know what Wonder clips are, right?
Yeah. Yep.
And then the best quality 5-in-1 sliding gauge.
All right, so a little bit earlier, Deanna, we were talking about this tool and we were talking about the quality of it. Tell me a little bit about what you were saying.
Always use quality notions when you're starting to sew. You don't want frustration of things not working or things breaking or bending.
And stuff. So we have here a really nice line of quality sewing items, all designed by Nancy Zieman, so you know that it's going to be really good stuff. So find all of this product on the Notions Marketing website. Contact your sales rep if you have any questions.